Welcome to the Balancing Equations simulation. In this simulation, you'll use the sandwich making process to model how to balance a chemical equation. The recipe for making the sandwich appears in the top portion of the screen. This recipe calls for 2 pieces of bread and 1 slice of cheese to make 1 cheese sandwich. To make this sandwich, select the up arrows above the bread and cheese and the reactant section on the left side of the screen in the Before Reaction box to add the correct number of ingredients to the sandwich. The right side of the screen in the After Reaction box displays the product of what you've made and any leftover ingredients. Follow the recipe to correctly make the cheese sandwich. To make a different sandwich, select the meat and cheese option from the top right side of the screen. This sandwich requires 3 ingredients. You can also make a custom sandwich by selecting the Custom option from the top right side of the screen. Selecting the orange Reset button returns the screen to its original state.